Thank you, Tallahassee. What is up? What's up? What's up? I drove all the way from Gainesville to be here today. I know. I go to UF. I know. The last time this many people in Tallahassee were laughing at a gator, a football game was on. I want to come here and make fun of your football team. I really do, as a gator, like from within. All I want to do is make fun of your football team, but I can't.
We know.
Yeah. Because year after year, you guys pull out exceptional teams with exceptional players. Most recently, with your man, the Heisman winner, Jameis Winston.
Wait, he's gone.
But he's gone. Yeah, he's on the Bucks. Yeah. So give it up for the Bucks, I guess. That's how fucking good he was. He made you all Bucks fans.
Been there, done that.
Man, it's even better if you compare him to our last Heisman winner, because I don't know if you guys know what team he's on. He's on Team Good Morning America. Tim Tebow is a disgrace. He is. The last person that was that bad to Jesus Christ was Judas. To further the comparison to Winston, he's not good inside the pocket, has a terrible passing IQ, and this next one's true, he's never been accused of raping anyone.
That's where he failed.
Or stealing crab legs. What do you... He hasn't. But you can't rape anyone if you don't have sex with people. John 2:16. And that's how he lives his life. That's how he lives his life. I love this. I don't know if Rocket Gumbo is the special on Saturday or a person, but that's awesome. That's so cool. I don't know what John 2:16 is. I'm Jewish. I don't know if that's apparent by just me being fucking hilarious. Being Jewish, I was at a bris recently. I don't know if any of you are familiar with a bris. A bris is proof that Jews will bring bagels to anything. Isn't it? It's fucking chopping off a baby's penis. I love that. My favorite thing is that a rabbi does it. You know? And I was watching a rabbi do it because my cousin, he just had his bris. And the rabbi said that they just do this all for tradition. It's not for cleanly reasons or it's a slick look. The only reason that they do it is because my dad did it and his dad did it all the way up to Abraham, who God came to him and God said, I want you to cut off the tip of your penis. And at 85 years old, he said, no problem, I got you. That's cool. And that's when I realized that I'd be a terrible Jewish person. I am. Because like, I don't care if you're God or anyone, if you come to me, you're like, I want you to cut off the tip of your penis, I'd be like, right? I'd be like, oh God, that's so weird, I'm gonna check out Buddhism. They got this weird thing, they're letting everybody keep their penis. I'm gonna try bacon too while I'm over there. Right? Why not try bacon? I don't know, anyone here smokes weed tonight? Anyone here smoke weed? That's so great. I do that joke in Gainesville and people are like, no! Yeah, what are the odds? People in Gainesville are smart. So I smoke weed. I do. The only problem is I get political when I smoke. I don't know about the rest of you. Like I'll like hit a blunt and I'll be like, guys! Trump is serious. I don't know about the rest of you. I look at Donald Trump the same way I look at Riff Raff. If Riff Raff started gaining votes, like people would be really upset, and people aren't really upset. It's a problem. A person that people have firm opinions on is Hillary Clinton. She may or may not be the next president of the United States. Any Hillary fans? No. You should vote. She's not gonna win Florida.
Nope.
No, Bernie, right?
Yeah.
I don't have a Bernie joke, but I really love the applause. Thanks, guys. The only thing I hate about Hillary is how up on their high horse women get every time you mention Hillary, right? Because, like, I'm sure, right, there's some women in here. Well, every time you mention Hillary, what happens? It's about time. Because anything men can do, women can do. And women can do it better. Right? Like, the last woman that had that attitude was Amelia Earhart. Whatever happened to her?
Who knows?
Seriously, no one talks about her anymore. Like, where is she? Fuck, right? Fuck Carmen Sandiego. Where in the world is Amelia Earhart? I love that shit. My car got struck by lightning. For this next joke. This is a real thing. My car got struck by lightning and I went to the insurance company because they're supposed to pay for things when it's totally out of your control, but that's not what they do because that would be convenient. And they said, we're not going to pay for the damages to your car because it's an act of God. Right? That sounds awfully presumptuous, right? You know that thing that people have been debating since for fucking ever? Yeah, he's real. And hates you. That just seems like a shitty waste of God's time, you know what I mean? Like, he could be doing anything and he's hurling electricity in my vehicle. There's a problem. There's problems in Afghanistan and Uganda, and the Kardashians are a thing, and my car doesn't need it. That's all I'm saying. Woo! I think I could keep making fun of the Kardashians, right? You seem like a sensible crowd. They're all famous, all of them. Every single one of them bitches. From a blowjob. That's all that happens. Kim Blue Ray J.
Couple beers.
No one even knows who the fuck Ray J is anymore.
Three pictures.
If I ever blow Ray J and get famous from it, which is highly unlikely because he doesn't respond to my emails. But if it ever happens, I'm gonna bring him up with me. I'm gonna make it like Keeping Up with Harry and Ray J, where we roam the town and do Ray J. I don't know what he does except get his dick sucked by Kim Kardashian. But if that's what we're doing for 22 minutes, I'm cool with that. Monica Lewinsky blew the President of the United States of America.
No, I do.
That bitch needs a reality show.
Hell yeah!
Right? Y'all watch Kim Kardashian try on shoes for 22 minutes. You'd watch that. My favorite thing is that no one would really know who any of them are. She got that initial bump of fame because her dad worked on the OJ trial. Right? Right? Yeah. You think if O.J. Simpson knew that his actions would get all of these terrible people famous, maybe he just would have gotten a divorce or something. I just hope the O'Haras are a better group of people. Let me help you out with that one, sir. That's Zimmerman's head lawyer. Oh, is that too close to home in Tallahassee? It's not that far from Orlando. We're fine, right? What's up? How you doing? Good. Alright, he immediately was like, don't do it. Don't hit on this girl. So I'm gonna just do another joke. I learned recently, I was reading an article, if you eat pineapple, it makes your semen taste better. I don't know if anyone knows. Anyone hear about that? Yeah, her. She was like, I make my man pineapple every single time. Is it that much better? No, this is a real question. Is it that much better? You! Is it? Like if I was watching Cupcake Wars, right? And they got on someone and they're like, listen, I got this semen and pineapple drizzle. Am I gonna be like, damn, Catherine, you gotta save me one of those? I hope so. She's like, yes, it is. It's that good. I was in Taco Bell recently. I don't know if any of you know Taco Bell.
Nope. Where's that?
For those of you that don't know, it's kind of like a fast, casual Mexican-American dining restaurant. Alright, cool, Taco Bell. Great. The person that knew about the fucking pineapple semen knows about Taco Bell. I love that. The coolest thing happened to me in a Taco Bell. This dude runs up to me and he goes, hey!
B!
Which is a great letter to yell if you're trying to get someone's attention. and he goes, "You that comedian, you funny as shit." And he gave me a high five, and guys, hands down, the best moment of my life. If I'm doing a Sports Center countdown, that's graduating high school. I beat Halo 3 on the hardest difficulty, which is really hard. And rounding out the list is the birth of my daughter.
Why'd you do that?
I guess a lot of shit. People come to me all the time and say, "Harry, why is the birth of your daughter so low on that list?" It's really easy. It's because Halo took me a couple months to do, but it didn't ruin the rest of my life. So it just wins by that much. Are you offended? No daughter. It's a joke. All right? While we're at it, I've only beaten Halo 3 on medium, and the Sports Center countdown goes the other way. So
Yes!
it's fucking stupid.
You made it so
Am I
much
good?
better.
I got one more, or that's it?
5 more.
5 more.
I think that's what he said.
All right, that's it. Thank you guys so much.